Feadship is recognized the world over as the leading builder of pure custom super yachts. Where all other yacht builders only allow clients to customize from existing platforms, Feadship is unique. We create genuinely bespoke super yachts. Each design starts with a blank sheet of paper. To clarify this crucial difference between customized and pure custom creation, we have crafted an interactive tool for the world's largest yacht shows. The Carte Blanche experience by Feadship allows visitors and invitees to discover their unique Feadship DNA in a very special way. It all begins on a paper-thin touchscreen. Visitors to the Feadship stand are presented with a carefully devised survey that uncovers simple yet key elements of their design DNA. Choose your favorite playground. If you were a car, which of these would you be? How adventurous are you? What's your favorite color? Where would you take your Feadship? And while we're imagining, what would be the name of your Feadship? By collecting your answers, your Feadship DNA is established. A fast and balanced system driven by complex algorithms selects images to create a personalized mood video. This shows the visitor's selections from the survey in smooth motion. There are even 5 different versions of a custom soundtrack from which the system can select. Intense, sophisticated, suave, light or lively, everything is geared to achieving the best matching video possible. To really make an impression, the dream name of the yacht that was entered into the survey is visible on the stern of the sunlit hull in tangible, solid letters. We have made absolutely sure that every single video is unique, even if 2 people enter the exact same set of answers. An elaborate system prevents identical videos from existing. And the system does more. It visualizes the visitor's Feadship DNA in our character matrix. A bespoke yacht perfectly reflects the character of its owner, whether this be classical or contemporary, quirky or majestic. Our character matrix shows what the visitor naturally leans towards. As generous as Feadship is to its fan base, it obviously goes the extra nautical mile for selected guests. In the show setting, this means a more sumptuous experience is offered where a deeper interaction is key. The survey is held in a dedicated, more secluded area using a touchscreen console flanked by 2 lounge chairs. During a one-on-one conversation with the visitor, a designer translates the cues by hand into a sketch, visible on a large screen. After the first result, further refinements are made. The printout the potential client takes home radiates Feadship design and is designed to encourage people to turn their dreams into reality. And yet there's more. Upon returning home, all visitors will find their unique Feadship video in a tailored email. Moreover, there's a sweepstake connected that will excite all visitors with the possibility of getting the guest treatment over a Skype session with Feadship. But of course, every visitor is a winner when they follow the link in their tailored email to a personalized online space. Here they find their spot on the character matrix, as well as their unique design theme. It is all brought into motion in the video that is also included. All the individual characteristics, selections, and preferences in a unique visitor website. They can return to it at any time and share their Feadship DNA with the world. Taken as a whole, it offers a fine representation of what Feadship means by pure custom creation. While the system is a complex marvel of algorithmic technology, Feadship staff have easy and smooth access to the data. In addition, the system relays the average time that visitors spend in the stand. The wealth of information gathered makes possible a fine-tuned approach to potential clients, where 300 hours worth of video processing can be carried out and delivered. Stunning in variation, beautifully executed. The hardware too is innovative. We combined LG's 55-inch OLED wallpaper display with a zero-interference touch surface, pure user comfort. LG has stated This very combination introduced to the world the thinnest 55-inch touchscreens possible. Taking into account the myriad of both visible and invisible factors, this system is almost as sensational as the Feadships it portrays.